Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you a very simple recipe, Instant Pot Pinto beans. I usually make these into refried beans and then I'll freeze them for my kids, and they absolutely love them with bean and cheese tacos, which is a shock. So if you're as excited as I am for this episode, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get the ball rolling on this episode of Mom, That's Yucky.
To start, you will need 1/4 pound salted pork cubed. You can also use bacon. I just like the fat and the salt that salted pork provides. You can find both in the same section of your grocery store. You will also need 1/4 of a whole onion chopped, an equal amount of 1 teaspoon garlic powder, cumin, chili powder, and salt, 2 cups of pinto beans, and 6 cups of water.
All right, guys, before you get started, the first thing you want to do is clean your beans. There are chances that's happened like maybe 3 times in my life that you find small stones or rocks in your beans from when they're harvesting them. It happens, but that's the biggest reason why you want to clean your beans. When I was a kid, my grandmother would also make me find like the little broken ones. She would make me clean the beans, and I would have to get the little broken ones or anything that looked abnormal. I didn't see the real point in that, like these little broken ones that are like broken in half. I don't see the point in it now, but I still do it. She was probably just trying to keep me busy. But you definitely want to go through your beans and make sure that there's no stones in them before you go ahead and cook them. Once you're done cleaning any debris out of it, you're going to want to rinse them really well, and then you can get started on the recipe.
Turn your Instant Pot onto saute. Once the display reads hot, add in about a teaspoon of olive oil. You will then add in your pork or bacon and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Add in your onion and cook for 3 minutes more. Sprinkle in your seasonings and cook until fragrant. Turn off your heat and then place your water and rinsed beans inside and mix well. Lock your Instant Pot and set the vent to sealing and press the bean setting, adjusting the time to 45 minutes. Once the timer goes off, allow it to naturally release. Basically leave it alone until the display counts up to 5 minutes. Then, carefully, with a long-handled utensil, quick release the pressure. You can then open your Instant Pot once the button goes down. Remove and reserve the excess broth from the beans. Place the beans in a food processor, or puree them with an immersion blender, or even mash them with a potato masher. If they seem too tacky, add your reserved broth slowly until you have your desired texture.
All right, you guys. Like I said, another super simple recipe that you can make in your Instant Pot. I'll usually make a batch of this and then put it into some quart-sized freezer bags and put them in the freezer. And the night before I want to make breakfast tacos, I just take one of the bags out, put it in the fridge, and it thaws just in time for breakfast. You can just pop it on the stove, heat it up, and make some bean and cheese tacos. Perfectly easy. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe below. I'll be posting this recipe along with all of my other recipes up on my Facebook group and on my Instagram page. If you guys have any suggestions or anything like that, I'd love to hear them. Put them in the comments below. Put them on any of my social media. I'll be on there. Until then, guys, my name is Amanda Evans, and this has been Mom, That's Yucky. Bye, guys.